Hello, art friends. Get those pencils ready. We're going to be drawing a rabbit. So to start with, we're going to have its head here. We're going to have its ears here and here. And we're going to have its body here, like so. We're going to have some legs back here. All right, I got her laid out. Now we're gonna get some detail in it. So to start with, I'm gonna start with a curved line, another curved line, and that's right, this is the eye, and then we're gonna put a big round circle inside, color that in, but not quite all of it. Show a little bit of light. Then I'm gonna come up here and draw a curved line coming down like that. And then it's gonna come across and back up like that. And then I'm gonna draw another curved line like so. Then right here, I'm gonna draw a V and some little curved lines like that. I'm gonna put another little curved line up here and some whiskers like so. Then I'm gonna come over here and draw a line that kind of arches, and then I'm gonna come down here and draw a kind of an curvy line like so. So it kind of comes up, in, and around. And then from where that line starts, I'm gonna come up like that. So now you see the inside, the outside of the ear. Now I'm gonna do the same thing over here. Kind of come up like that. And then I'm gonna have the back of the head here. It's gonna come down like that for the front of the body. And then I'm gonna draw the other part of the ear coming up. And then I'm gonna have this part coming up and back. And there's the other part of the ear. And then I'm gonna have a line coming down, coming out with some like little W's. And then coming back up. And coming back down, some W's, coming back up like that. Then right here, I'm gonna draw a number 2. See the number 2? It might have had more of a hook on it, but I don't want that. And then it's gonna have some W's, kind of come back, and come around like that. Now in here, I'm just gonna have a line come in here, and I'm gonna have another line. And so this is the foot on the other side. And I'm gonna draw the little toes on the rabbit. And another line coming around. And oh my gosh, we need a fluffy tail. There we go. Fluffy tail. And you can't see his other eye. Maybe you can. How about if we just kind of draw a part one here? Maybe on yours you don't see it. There, I like that better. We'll put the ground here, and we'll put, this is gonna be a carrot. There we go. What a happy rabbit. All right, if you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Middle School Art Mania. Thanks for watching.